Want smarter workouts? Let's analyze your Strava data in 60 seconds. Open an activity and tap the Metrics tab, Power, Heart Rate, Cadence. Scan the route map for elevation, steep sections, and where effort spikes. Inspect the power and heart rate charts for sustained zones and sudden peaks. Study cadence trends, low cadence on climbs, high cadence on flats and sprints. Mark key segments and flag where pace or form drops. Compare recent similar activities to spot improvements or recurring weaknesses. Use lap breakdowns to isolate bad intervals and measure recovery time. Check normalized power and intensity to judge quality of your efforts. Tip 1. Targeted intervals. Add short, high-intensity efforts to build power. Tip 2. Recovery balance. Insert easy zone rides when fatigue shows in metrics. 3 adjustments. 2 high-intensity sessions per week, 1 long steady ride. Prioritize easy recovery spins and monitor heart rate.